You are already visiting Krakow since 1989, so you witnessed many changes. And where, in your opinion, is Krakow today?
Now we live in Kazimierz, in the old Jewish quarter, and this is the only place in Poland I can imagine to live, except of maybe Wrocław, but it's a very, very special quarter with a lot of plus, but also a lot of minus. It's unique, extraordinary, 7 synagogues, 2 Jewish cemeteries, and just on a very small district. And on the other side, no closing time, one pub after the other, and people are really drinking until they can't walk anymore. So you have this very big differences between, on the one side, this heritage. The walls are still standing, the people don't exist anymore, and in these walls, houses are now living completely different people, and just coming to Kazimierz, to this old traditional Jewish quarter, to make party. And this discrepancy, it's English, discrepancy also, we want to show also in our movie about Gebirtig. On the one side, this rich old Jewish heritage, spirit, everything, and on the other side, this somehow quite strange party life. And when I came here to Kazimierz for the first time, it was a completely empty, dirty, dark, devastated place. In the time of communism, nothing should remember that it was an old Jewish quarter. So here the communists took all people to Kazimierz, to the empty houses after the Second World War, who didn't exist officially in communism. Drunkards, prostitutes, little stealers, thieves, and so on. Of course also some honest poor people, but nothing connected to the Jewish life and no one connected to it at all. So when I came here in 1989, there was nothing. There was the Remu synagogue and the cemetery, but all other things. And then later, thanks to also Steven Spielberg, who made here the film Schindler's List, and then it grew up. It came back to life, also thanks to the Jewish Culture Festival. Then later came the Reform community, the JCC. So there's some kind of Jewish life today. But on the other side, you can feel the emptiness and the loneliness, and if you're a little bit sensitive for this kind of, how to say, then you feel it. And we will see. There's now the gentrification. They build the hotels and luxus apartments and all this kind of things. And on the other side, the pubs, just for drinking as fast as possible, as much as possible for very cheap price. So I'm curious how it will be in a few years, but it changed a lot, Kazimierz. But I think still worth to live here.